In my previous video, I talked about infinite series, and under infinite series, we talked about binomial expansion. And in binomial expansion, we got to know that how to expand the term of the form a plus b raised to power m. And in this case, a plus b raised to power m, this is equals to I'm going to write as per binomial expansion. This will be equal to a raised to power m plus m a raised to power m minus 1 b plus here a raised to power m, here a raised to power m minus 1. So the power of a will keep on decreasing, the power of b will keep on increasing, and m we will apply combination. First of all, nc0 1, nc1 or mc1 m, here mc2 m, m minus 1 upon 1 into 2. The power of a is increasing, right? So it is to power of a is decreasing, my bad. So a raised to power m, a raised to power m minus 1, here it will be a raised to power m minus 2, and power of b is increasing, it will be a b raised to power 0, b raised to power 1, and here it will be b raised to power 2, and we will keep on writing up to last term, right? And this is our binomial expansion, and with the help of binomial expansion we will prove other formulas like a plus b whole square or any form of algebraic expression. I will take some examples. First of all, I will take a useful formula that is used by students most of the time in our school time, and I just want to prove over here. A plus b raised to power 2, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. How this formula comes, this we will prove with the help of binomial expansion. Here we will compare these two equations, and we will fill the values of m, which is equals to 2. Here m is equals to 2, we will fill over here and we will find out the value. Fine. So first of all, what we will do is fill over there m is equal to 2, so a raised to power 2, then here plus m is equal to 2, then a raised to power m minus 1, m is 2, 2 minus 1, then b, then m, which is 2, then 2 minus 1, here 1 into 2, a raised to power m is 2, 2 minus 2, which is equal to 0, then into b raised to power 2, and this is our last term. Fine, because the power of a plus b is 2, and we will not proceed more than this. Fine. If the power of a plus b would be 3, then we will write one more term. If it would have been 4, then we would write one more term. So what we have come into a raised to power 2, a raised to power 2 minus 1, a b. Here 2 will be cancelled out with this 2, 2 minus 1, 1, a raised to power 0, and anything with power 0, I have explained in the previous video also, anything raised to power 0 will be equals to 1. So we are actually left with b square only, which is equal to this formula. So we have proved that y a plus b whole square is always equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Fine. So we have proved this, and in this way we can prove any kind of formulas or any kind of expression with the help of binomial expression. Now I would like to take, and in this way you can also prove that a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, or any other expression also we can prove, right? Now I would like to take example of a plus b raised to power 4. Fine. And here I will again apply this formula, and here we will be having 4 terms, and we will explain this on the basis of binomial expansion. So m is equal to 4 over there. We will fill a raised to power 4, then m is 4, this is 4, a raised to power 4 minus 1, then b, then here 4 minus 1 upon 1 into 2, a raised to power 4 minus 2, b square, right? Our next term would be 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Here it was 4 minus 2, a raised to power 4 minus 3. B is increasing. B was here b was having power of 2. Here it will be power of 3. Next term will be 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, and a raised to power 4 minus 4, so a raised to power 0 will be equal to 1, and we would be left with b raised to power 4 only, right? Now we will simplify this. A raised to power 4 plus 4, a raised to power 4 minus 1 3, a cube b, here 2 will be cancelled out with 2, 2 to the 4, 4 minus 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 6, a raised to power 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 2, square b square, here 4 minus 2 2, this 2 will be cancelled out with this 3 will be cancelled out with this, and we would left with 4, a raised to power 4 minus 1 is a, so this would be a, then b cube, and here 4 cancelled out with 4, 3 cancelled out with 4 minus 1, 2 cancelled out with this, we would left with 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1, and at last b raised to power 4. So a plus b raised to power 4 would be equals to a raised to power 4 plus 4a cube plus b 6a square b square plus 4a b a cube plus b4. So this is about how to find out formulas with the help of binomial expansion, and in this way we can also solve some other expressions, and we can prove that any type of problem we can prove, or we can take x minus 1 upon 3 raised to power minus 1 upon 5, these type of problems, or you can take any type of values. So simply what we will do is, here we will take m raised to power minus 1 upon 5, and b would be equals to minus 1 upon 3, and we will apply this formula and we will find out the value. Fine. And then I would like to take example of how to solve 1 upon x minus 1 raised to power n, right? So first of all, what we will do, we will take this denominator upside, and it will turn into x minus 1. This power when will goes up, what will happen, this will become negative. So here m is equals to minus n, right? So when m is equals to minus n, we will fill these values, and what we will find there, x raised to power m, which is x, here this is equals to a, right? This is equals to a, and b is equal to minus 1, m is equal to minus n. Let me write over here, a is equals to x, b is equals to minus 1 and m is equals to minus n, right? Simply we will apply this formula, and what we will get, it will be x raised to power m, sorry, a raised to power m, which is equals to x raised to power minus n, then m which is equals to minus n, and a which is x raised to power m minus 1 minus n minus 1, then b, right? Then m minus 1 upon 1 into 2 x raised to power n minus 2 means m minus 2, then b square, right? In this way we can proceed further also. Then next it will be x raised to power minus n. Here minus will cancelled out with this minus, minus plus, so we would left with n x raised to power minus, I want to take out common, and it will be n plus 1, right? Uh, here minus will take out common, and minus plus, and this minus 1 square will also be plus, so we would be having positive sign there, and n plus 1 divided by 2. Here x raised to power minus, going to take out common, n plus 2, and then so on, right? Now our next step will be take these I just want to make these powers positive, so what I will do is I will take these terms of x down. Here in the beginning the term it was in this form, so in such ways I would like to take these terms down. So 1 upon x raised to power, and when this power will come down it will become positive, fine, and will remain over there, and this x I'm taking down, so x raised to power n plus 1. Here n plus 1 divided by 2, so this term I'm taking down, x raised to power n plus 2, and in such ways we can write other terms also, fine. So this is all about how to solve any type of expression of the form a plus b raised to power m. It can be fraction, integer, negative integer, positive integer, so you can expand any type of expansion, fine. So just for the practice I just want to give you some problems. You need to find out 1 plus x raised to power minus 1, and this value will be equals to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube, right? And just keep in mind that whenever you have a negative sign over there, then you will take b is equals to minus that thing, okay? And the second problem that you will do is minus 1 plus x raised to power minus 2, and this will be equals to 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube. In such ways you can solve these problems. In case you find it difficult to do, then I will explain these expansions in my another video. You can drop your queries in the comment box. So thank you so much for watching.